Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to reset Fiverr gig tags. Why would you want to know how to reset Fiverr gig tags? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to reset Fiverr gig tags. So today I am going to show you how to reset Fiverr gig tags. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you have added few high competition tags on Fiverr and not getting good results, you can simply reset or update your tags. How you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open any browser and type fiverr.com at search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons at the top. Click on My Business. Now click on Gigs. Now select a gig you want to update. Tags in front of that gig. You are seeing an arrow. Click on it. Now click on Edit. Scroll down. Here in Tags section, you can simply delete old tags and add new tags. There you go. If you wanted to know how to reset Fiverr gig tags, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.